Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
By night across West Michigan, you can start to see a bit of snow trying to move in over Lake Michigan. And tonight we should see some areas of light snow as temperatures drop down into the mid-20s. Tomorrow we're expecting slow snow chances, so not much of a quick accumulation, but at least a little bit of a dusting. In general, tomorrow is more significant in that it helps to kick off this pattern change that we've been watching and waiting for. A pattern change into deeper cold is imminent. It's looking like next week we should start to see some Arctic air swing into West Michigan. And as we get to that point, we expect several snow chances in the week ahead. And by the time we get to next weekend into early next week, we really could be talking about some good lake effect. As for this weekend, here's a look at some of the snowfall totals. We're not expecting too terribly much. In general, about 1/4 of an inch to an inch, so enough to leave a nice coating, especially on cold surfaces. As for Sunday, I think some rain showers will mix in at times, but even still, it's not looking like too much for Saturday and Sunday combined. Tuesday and Wednesday, on the other hand, looking like a better possibility of delivering accumulating snow. There's still a lot of uncertainty when it comes to this system, but I think at this point in time, we can say 3 inches of snow is looking likely for a good portion of West Michigan. So potentially the first time we've had a shovel in quite a while. 6 inches of snow is still possible for some, depending on the storm track, and we are very certain that it's going to be blustery Tuesday into Wednesday. In fact, Wednesday we could see some wind gusts up near 45 miles per hour. So here's an example of how the storm may look Tuesday into Wednesday. And I want to show you this because you can see that there's a really definite boundary between heavy snow and plain old rain. This storm system is going to cut up and through West Michigan. So we're going to be right over that freezing line for the duration of the event. It's not until Wednesday that it swings out and we get just cold air. So depending on the storm track, some folks could see purely rain, some folks could see purely snow, and that's why a subtle change in the track, even just 25 miles, could matter to you and could matter in terms of how much snow you're going to have to shovel. So at this point in time, certainty forecasts we're putting at likely 60 to 80% that we will have impact from this being more than 3 inches of snow. Again, heaviest snow will have a sharp cutoff because of the rain mixing in from time to time. So we are going to be watching the forecast track carefully. The storm hasn't even formed yet. So we're going to let it do that over the weekend into Monday. And then as the forecast models sample it, we'll have a much better idea of who's going to see the most. But it's kind of nice to start tracking, like we actually have something to start to track now.
Finally.
It's been a while. Yeah.
All right, Ellen, thank you so much.